If you want to connect your MSI GF63 Thin laptop to multiple devices like a monitor, keyboard, or external storage using a single cable, using the USB-C port for docking can make your setup much cleaner and more efficient. However, many users are unsure whether the USB-C port supports display output or how to use a docking hub correctly. The good news is that with the right dock and setup, you can expand your laptop's connectivity in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to dock your MSI GF63 Thin using the USB-C port step by step. Try these. Step 1. Check that your USB-C port supports data or display output. Step 2. Connect a compatible USB-C docking station or hub to the port. Step 3. Plug your external devices like monitor, keyboard, or mouse into the dock. Step 4. Wait for your laptop to detect the connected devices automatically. Step 5. Adjust display and device settings from your system if needed.